First day, 21 days. 2 months later, what do you think? Filled in maybe? What do you think? People at work have actually even told me that it's being filled in the back, that they can tell a difference. Hey, welcome back. If you're new to my channel is all about saving you time and money with my how-tos and reviews. This is 2 months later. The first video was filmed on February the 17th. Today is April the 20th. So it's just an update video. A lot of people have been asking, where is your update video? And I apologize that it's taken me this long. It's just hard to take a video or a picture of my melon. And I said I was going to take a picture every day for 30 days. That's like staying on a diet. That's not going to happen. I tried. Plus, I couldn't get a good picture. The 21-day picture, that was a picture my wife took. So if you're new to my channel, I'd just like to encourage you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and use the comment section down below to leave your thoughts, comments, theories, whatever. Ask your questions. In this video, I'm going to answer a few questions, so stay tuned there towards the end, and I will give you the answers to some questions that people have asked me. Also, in the video description, there's a link to the website. That's an affiliate link. If you use it, I will make a commission, and I'd appreciate it. But what I like about their website is something that they're doing now is if your order's over $35, you can make payments. You can't beat that. One of the questions I have is, how much do you use? 2 months later, I've still got a half a bottle of shampoo and a half bottle of conditioner. So I've still got another 2 months worth of shampoo and conditioner that I can use. I put like a nickel to a quarter size dollop there in my hand. And that's all I use with the shampoo and the conditioner. I guess that's why it's lasted so long. And probably because I don't have much hair on my head, so it doesn't take much shampoo. So now here I'm in the studio making the video, and here you go. 2 months later, what do you think, guys? It's filled in back here in the back, right? Up here in the front, you can't see it in the video, I'm sure, but it's filling in. I'm getting more hair regrowth up here. And what they say on their website and on their Facebook page is, it takes 4 months before people will start noticing a difference. Well, people are already noticing a difference in the back here. Another thing that they say on their Facebook page is use warm water when you're washing your hair. So another question I get is, how long do you leave it in? They recommend leave it in 3 to 5 minutes. The shampoo, I leave it in for about 3 minutes probably. I'll go ahead and put the shampoo in, start washing my body, rinse that out, put the conditioner in, finish washing my body. And the conditioner probably stays in maybe 2 minutes. I guess I would leave it in there longer, but I don't want to waste water, so maybe the other option is take it, wash your hair in the sink, I guess. I don't know. I think that's it. I can't think of anything else. It's just an update video. But one thing I can think of is to tell y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one now. And you come back.